Hi, welcome to Rajan. Today we are going to discuss about Microsoft Project. As we all know, like Microsoft Project is a kind of project management tool which will be used to track the progress of the work followed by the work which is assigned by the team to the teams, all that. So especially whenever we are following the traditional development practices like waterfall model, V model, MS Project, Microsoft Project is one of the tools which will be used to track the progress of the work. Especially at the same time, whenever we are working on agile environment, there is a tool which is prominent. One of the tool called Jira will be used there. But in today's video, I am going to explain you about how to create a project, followed by how to create different tasks and all everything in for any of the project. What is that we are taking? So whenever we are going for MS Project, whenever we are logging in, there will be an option you can see which is called new project, right? So because there was a project which was already created by me, so for you to make better understanding, I'm creating a new project as separate now. So here you can see there is an option called new project wherein we need to click on here. So whenever we want to create projects, there are different things wherein we can, if you want to create any kind of project as separate right from the scratch, we have to use blank project. For us, if you want to create any kind of roadmap for any of the projects, so roadmap, so that how to go about it. So what are the timelines, all that. At the same time, if you want to import any kind of project from an external sources and all, here you can see there is an option called import project, where we have to see in MPP file, like Microsoft Project Planning file must be saved. From there onwards, normally this project imports, all these things will be done. At the same time, if you want to, not only for IT application development, even if you want to create any kind of business plans, or if you want to do any kind of software development, streamlining of roadmaps, or if you want to perform any construction related works, because Microsoft Project can be used by anyone, not only for IT people, even for person who is constructing a building, where they want to know about what is the cost, right? So how much manpower we have, so they have to know about their project management. So project management is a continuous process that is nothing to do with IT project development. So this can be utilized and useful for everyone. So it can be used for everyone here. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about how to create a project, followed by this, how to update the task, all that. So here you can see there is an option called blank project, which we have to click on. Here, what is that we have to do? First of all, we have to title the project. So now what I am taken is, I have taken a project called Qlient. So this Qlient, in short, if you see it, Qlient is an integrated practice management system, which is an healthcare application in short. So this healthcare application is being used to manage and as well as streamline all the business process of any healthcare organization. And it has an advantage where it can be connecting with the electronic health records and as well as billing modules. So this is majorly used by the healthcare organizations to manage their business activities and all everything more better. So that is what generally this project is. So in context to that, I'm taking some modules, nothing but features, key features in it. Like first of all, denial management is the one thing. At the same time, claim management, integrations. At the same time, claim scrubber, billing, digital payments, schedulings, reporting, e-prescribing, charger caps, telehealth, and so on. Now, first of all, I have to create a board over here, right? So here you can see here, this is where generally we can add tasks directly here, right? So tasks can be added directly. So before I'm getting into the task, first of all, I'm creating some buckets where we have to add some modules here, right? Modules or features, whatever we like. So we have to, followed by this, we need to provide some timelines, right? So preparing some charts, adding people to the existing one, right? All these things can be done subsequently. Now what I'm doing is I'm going for untitled project where I am giving a project name here. Qlient integrated practice management system. Right? This is what the project I have taken. right? So project I have taken, Itculian Integrated Practice Management System is a project. Now what we have to do, we need to create some features, whatever is related and relevant to that. The first is denial management. We have to create here. Right, so denial management is the first one. The second thing is claims management. This is the second one. So how many features we have? We need to add those features into this. Next, after that, integration. After that, claim scrubber. Next, billing. Taken billing. Next, digital payments. Next is scheduling. Followed by reporting, e-prescribing. Reporting. E-prescribing. Charge capture hub. Last but not least, telehealth. Right, so these are the different features which are there in it. Now, what is that we have to do? We need to add tasks to the existing ones. Let's say that, for example, if you have taken denial management as an example here, creating an account and creating AP letters. Right. Next. Creating AP letters, right? So these are the two tasks which are comes under this. Next, claim management, creating and processing claims. We have taken. After that, dashboard creation. Two tasks we have taken. Right. After that, integration. Track claims, tracking payments. Tracking claims. Next, tracking payments. Whatever payments we have received so far, all that. Tracking payments. Next, accessing ERS. So this is all something comes under the integration part. Now, in reference to the claim scrubber, sending claims and claim status. Sending claims and claim status are the two works. Next, when we talk about building, view reports and exporting of data. Exporting of data. Next is digital payments, online bill payments. Next is scheduling, sending reminders. Is one thing. Next, syncing calendar. Next, filtering the appointments. Next, reporting, generate reports. Is one thing. Next, create syndromic surveillance system. Right, so more. This is all something comes under reporting part. Next is e-prescribing. For this, view records is what we have. View records is only the task we have. Next, search capture, creating repository is the one functionality. The second is option to manage these by app. Next, telehealth. Scheduling virtual sessions is what one thing. And followed by this, creating customized templates. Customizable templates is one more task. So these are the two. So these are the more features what are there in this Qlint integrated practice management system. Wherein if you want to work on any of the project under, first of all, we have to create a project which was created by me, wherein we have added some features to the existing ones. In these existing features, whatever the tasks, something are related to that, everything can be created like this. Now, if you can go to grid, you can see whatever the tasks we have created in completing of it. For total 22 tasks has to be completed for this project. To whom are we going to assign? How to be assigned that? And is there anything to be added to the existing ones? All these things that I'm going to discuss on the coming videos. So if you have any questions followed by any kind of needs, please reach out to the contact details which will be posted in below to this video. Thank you.